Solim.
AT&T Salute Records.
Masta Kay. Aba. Solim. Ebedi agobi. Asanti faruya. Kani faruya. Enwana mi po. Enwana mi pe wai. Agoya wai. Agoya ye.
Alright, who talk you say how life they die? How life no they die, oh. If you don't know, you don't know. So what you don't know, if for us, they go tell you. So, Masta Kay, you sure say how life still they alive?
Oh, how life they alive?
How life they alive?
Yeah,
Or should say how life they are. You if you do something small way, like the viewers go see say how life.
We all do me on me say today. And maybe I mean yanti. And I can crash them hunty. Oh, me up for see actually me. Messi, you are the children. I come out from Jantuma. And that miss all of me.
Alright, viewers, you can see. In fact, how life still they alive. This is Masta Kay. You know, we just want to ask him some few questions. You know, yes, Masta Kay. So everybody they talk say you they do Bisake in style. That be true because for the comment I they read for Facebook, I they see for the social media. In fact, I they follow you what the people they talk. No?
I be the people they talk. That's the talk to you. People they talk say I James like but me I know say I James like and this thing. People they talk.
About your look, everything shows say get long hair like this. Because if Bisake day here right now, they would think say maybe you be the Bisake or you be twin brothers.
My brand we are there no. Now it did before Bisake was Bisake they come. But I know say I they call Bisake but I they feel them. And they feel Bisake they fan. The way they put hard life music, I they feel them.
So what's come inside your mind where you know choose different style or different music, but it be high life now you to
high life,
choose,
no,
yeah.
like high life music. No. Ghana, everything's about high life. Their culture, everything's about high life. You join the BBI is about high life. So I say so mean to me push it down of high life music. I was down and to be and for 5 beer hip hop and say it. So I say for Ghana, no, it high life. In case they be a me call beer. Me travel be on Kabuchi be and say Ghana music be na moya. Ghana music be na men can say me hear hip hop. It's our high life. So I say it's our high life.
Solim.
AT&T Salute Records.
Masta Kay. Aba. Solim. Ebedi agobi. Asanti faruya. Kani faruya. Enwana mi po. Enwana mi pe wai. Agoya wai. Agoya ye.
You know the youth, the young ones of today, no, everybody they go like hip hop, you know, like this kind. You understand?
Yeah. But I mean that it be music there, like music that.
But which age group you they do the high life give, or it be everybody or some particular group you they be your target?
No. High life like I'm doing high life for everyone in Ghana. So be like I'll push high life to international. So I say nobody say I talk say like if you not do the hip hop or hip hop or Afrobeat. No. Obia or particular music compared to here. And like Ghana is about our own high life. So I say high life. So you can support high life music. So I say because I say be about to be a travel to America and say kwe show. And I say be a Ghana gen music be na moya. Which means cast we Afro.
Okay.
Oh yeah hip hop. So I say.
Which means say oh yeah Afro. Oh yeah hip hop. Yeah. You can't talk say they do Afro.
Yeah, you can't do they do Afro, they do this. But high life, no. And that's what I say, they do high life. So I say, I mean, can't say be a Afro pop, Afro beat, and I say be a Javi hip hop. Never high life, main casa. So I say, but Ghana is just a high life.
Okay.
So I say.
Okay, what did they talk? We say our culture for Ghana here no. What we they do be high life, but dance or whatever, be foreign something. We they follow. If you go interview anywhere, America, UK, where it be high life now, be wanna call. You get some music, some video out there, or it be now where
I get me more video for my channel.
Okay.
Yeah, YouTube, like videos, YouTube Masta Kay.
Okay.
I fame by my name, will more song for the Ghana Motion, Jack Nation, everywhere. Odu Mark, Boom Page, okay, Master for the.
Okay. But so far, like how many track
I
get
almost 49 tracks.
49 tracks.
49 tracks. And only almost we did there and almost 20 songs we did there. 20 songs.
20 songs.
Yeah.
We like you do video on them?
Some are video, some are audio for YouTube and Ghana Motion.
Okay. But so far, no, if you now they push the brand, if you now they finance everything, or you get management team way like they help you.
I'm not getting management team. If you are doing my thing, said be a man come and support me music and
okay.
It's me pushing hard against that music and aquafa.
Okay.
Me have any management, me and I'm pushing. I'm saying I'm out of media. I didn't have maybe.
Okay. On him saying I'm out doom there, a kind of be by the grace of God, the way go open or the chance it go happen. Okay, Masta Kay, you know, time like this, no, the way things be hard, no, like how you they support yourself and all that, how you they support the managers.
Like the beer young people, beer young people share. So I say, and beer young people share. And young people be come on, and yes, okay. But now money make it talented here.
Okay.
If you are meeting say, yeah, I said that, and I do also. Kakra me one, it me flare. Oh me, say no go. Oh, try came home video. Like I won't help you. I won't help you for some TV station. Go, Charlie. You go there. I go do them. Okay. Yes,
okay. But of late, they follow you per way as you say, you they go from TV stations to TV station. How you they get this connection? You they pay something? How you they do the whole thing?
I know they pay anything. I know they pay just once. I know they pay anything.
Okay. Is it Enyami is God? And somebody writes say on God. Yeah. Okay. So like it go fit pain you say somebody will no get talent, but he get money. Way like the money they push and the money make them popular. If you see something like that, how you go feel?
You don't fit pay me. I be at money make you talented.
Money make you talented. Okay.
And at times money to like your talent will come down because of the what money.
Okay.
So I say until like will be more talents and now will be paying and now go need talent the piano and have me sir.
Okay.
Because and have me.
Okay.
Me said then yeah. Won't me shine and channel there and check.
Okay.
So I say.
Okay. Okay. Everything they talk be say. In fact, somebody will no get talent, will get money, will money they push up. He as somebody will get talent, no, you know go pay now. But all be say the kept no, you know go feel where I'm forever. Come what's made no, in talent no, it will come out. That be what they talk. So Masta Kay, so far in all your video, whatever your tracks, no, you get somebody with some artists where you feature them, or if you now you they do everything on your own.
So at times I feature my voice. One of my rappers in this and this.
Okay.
And at times so I get more songs we I do for the startup, but at times I no bring them.
Okay.
Yeah, I no bring them.
Okay. But like in all this journey, no, you go some show where like at the end of the day, no, it can't pain you say no, the show we are going like you know if I no go, something like that happen. Wait, why?
Oh, like you know they pay me say go show play like you go pay me say like if I go there maybe the car quite be I go make show kana car no quite there. I'm here so small, but
okay.
I have okay. The corner car quite 5 car. Me the artist I to perform. So I say me I have from a put me show. I'll put them up push up. If I call me 5, if I 10, but it's me then a bush.
Okay.
So I say,
okay. You say if you go show like that, either people come, people don't come. No, he's self-motivated. Nothing they pay now. Where he happened to be at some shows, no, he meets about 10 people, 5 people. But you know, say such is life. Yes. So everything be God on God. That be what they talk. So, Masta Kay. So right now, no, if somebody can we say no, if they follow you on social media, if they see your interviews, if they listen to your music, so now it won't help you, no. Like it won't push you, something like that. You agree?
Oh yeah. Because I know you can't say one more media, okay. So I say, okay. It's man I miss from me, yeah. Okay. Especially in one year so much and like I said, okay. So I say,
okay. So if we give our viewers some freestyle, you know.
Yeah. I'll do you. About Jamie, I may wash a one. For God, and I see me, I'll catch him. What to make catch him is own Jamie or him. It's why I'm already by anyone.
All right, viewers, we'll bring our talk to a close. This is Masta Kay that you just listened to. Masta Kay is not only a musician, no, I tell you, he's almost very industrious. If I mean very industrious, I'll be say In fact, it be editor, film editor, it be cameraman, it be taxi driver, it be everything, you know, in every corner. Yeah, so you don't be only music. So that be Masta Kay. So we'll come back again. So keep following us on Ewenyigba TV, and you need to like our videos, share them, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll get to bring you more interviews, very exciting ones, and documentary, what have you. So thank you very much. Akpenami, Mauna Irami Boboza.